Hi parents, I wanted to create this video to help you understand how to check in on your scholar's word count and their progress towards meeting their Wordmaster, Bulldog Reader, and Royal Reader goal, in addition to making sure that they achieve their 4,000 words that they should be reading each week to make sure that they are earning a good grade and their points that they need for their homework in reading class. Now, the first thing you're going to do is go into Clever, and then from here, you will just scroll until you find the R for Renaissance. You will click on Renaissance, and then as soon as you get in on that first page, there's actually something really helpful for parents and guardians. At the bottom, you can click to get email updates. If you go into this link, you can sign up to have emails sent to you anytime your scholar completes one of the assessments for their reading or math level, and directly linked to homework is the Accelerated Reader quizzes at the bottom. So that will tell you when your scholar quizzes on a book and how they do. Back to the main page, if you click on MyOn, this is where your scholar is reading online, and that's where they can access a bunch of different books. So your scholar should and could absolutely be reading physical books at home, but if your scholar is also choosing to read on their computer, this is where you can check to see what books they're reading on their computer, and this actually shows you the books that they're reading each week. And so this scholar finished 2 books on MyOn this week. So that's helpful to see, broken down by weekly. And now if we go back and we go into the AR for Accelerated Reader, here you can click the little trophy sign for progress. Now when you're in here, when you scroll down, you can see your scholar's accuracy, which is the percentage that they get on average on each of their tests. And then if you scroll down further, you will see their total number of words read to date. So this is not per week. This is for the entire year so far. Oh, and it also does have their scores on their Renaissance reading and math scores, if that was of interest to you as well. And then you can go to their completed work. This is also helpful to see how much they're reading. It does not break it down by week, but it does break it down by month. And so right now it shows all of August, but soon you'll see we're about to be in the first week of September, so you'll know any books that were read under the category September were read recently. When you first look at it, you can see just their percentages, but if you click on the book, it will also tell you how many words they earned for it. And so like this book earned almost 10,000 words. All right, parents, well, I hope this was really helpful. I'm going to put back up the slide about what the different word count goals are. And so every scholar in 3rd grade should be working towards being at least a word master by the end of the year. That's 125,000 words. Their homework assignment of reading 4,000 words a week is directly linked to that. If your scholar is reading 4,000 words a week, they will be a word master by the end of the year. And so this is everyone's goal, what everyone should be working to achieve. Now, I know some scholars are going to push themselves and are going to want to hit these bigger goals like Bulldog Reader and Royal Reader. If that is something that you are working towards with your scholar, know that to become a Bulldog Reader by the end of the year, your scholar should be reading about 11,000 words a week. And then Royal Reader is about 30,000 words a week. So please reach out to me if you have any questions. I would love to help support you. And thank you for helping to support this goal and helping your child become a better reader.